I found this useful phrases quite interesting. Okay, here I have a pain in my leg. I had an idea what this means because on YouTube as well, there was a video about this pain. There's this one called, I'm forgetting the channel. I use it quite a lot, but I know I use it quite a lot, but I'm forgetting the name. It's just out of my head at the moment. But they did a series about pain, and when I read the English, I already almost immediately translated it into the Arabic in my head before looking at this. Because sometimes I cover up. I look at the English, I cover up, and then I try to translate it into Arabic. Indi alama fi rajli. Rajli is my leg, and the ya part is shows that it's my leg. That's a story for another day. So I have pain in my leg. Sha'raha aswadu wa tawilun. And then here, I would be happy to do it. I thought there would be something like Said in the translation, but no. It says ala aini wa rasi. I was like, this eyes and head. What's that got to do with anything? But that's the literal translation that they have put in the brackets on my eyes and head, but it actually means I'll be happy to do it. So, oh, okay, interesting. Because I have seen some words like that when you try to translate it, but it doesn't make sense. So there's the literal translations, and and then here, damuhu khafif, his blood is light, which is the literal translation, and is light-headed. Damuha thaqilun, her blood is heavy. But now I'm wondering, why is it not thaqilatun? Okay, because it's blood, I guess. Yes, blood is masculine, so it's like that. Even though she means she is unpleasant. Because I would have said thaqilatun, but then it can't be because this is masculine. But the translation is she is unpleasant. Okay. Because from my studying for feminine, it ends with ta marbuta. And thaqilatun. But I guess it's for the literal translation, not for the actual meaning. That's why you don't use the feminine part of it. I'm just thinking out loud. Lisanahu tawilun. I would have guessed the literal translation. Even the others, I would have guessed the literal translation. But then you look at the sentence and think, okay, but this doesn't make any sense. And when you're self-teaching, those are some of the things you've got no one to ask. That his tongue is long, and it doesn't make sense with the sentence that you'll be reading. But it's nice to have these useful phrases, books that are, something that's to ponder and look over, and it's very helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.